Hey there, it's Tally, and in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is for your customers to make a loan payment on a firearm. Your customer will start by launching MobilePawn. They'll click on My Pawns and can see the list of loans they currently have active as well as the due dates. We'll click on Make Payment. In this case, we're going to renew a firearm loan. We'll select Checkout Now and choose whatever payment method we want to use. If you prefer to accept debit only, that's available. Next, we'll click on Pay, and your customer will get their pawn payment confirmation, which includes the details of the renewal and a barcode that can be scanned in store. This is where the magic happens. Bravo automatically applies that loan payment to the firearm. Your printer will automatically print a receipt for you, the money is collected automatically, the transaction is updated in Bravo, the back-end accounting is automated, and your reports will reflect this payment. It's simple for you, it's simple for your customer. That's MobilePawn. Thanks for watching.